Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I'm going to share with you the unboxing of my new MacBook Air. I had actually filmed this video a few days after New Year's, and I was originally going to film it vlog style, but when I started to edit it, I realized that you could hear the music that I was listening to in the background, and I did not want a copyright strike, so I had to figure out a way to edit it and make it work. Oh my God, y'all, I am so excited. I have been wanting a MacBook for so long, and my husband got me MacBook for Christmas, and it finally arrived. So here, I'm opening up the box, and I'm just showing you some of the accessories that my husband got to go along with my laptop, one of which was a laptop master kit, which came with a wireless mouse and mouse pad. And it also had extra USB ports and some other cords and things like that. And he got me a purple fitted clip case, which came with a purple keyboard cover.
Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
And now it's time to get to the good part. Okay, y'all, while I'm getting that open, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about it. I chose the silver, and it is 13.3 inches, and it has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of hard drive space.
Screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
So these are a couple of cords that came with it. One is the charger, and the really thick one, I haven't figured out what that one is for yet, but the other one is the charger, of course, and I'm just stretching it out to see how long it is. And here I'm just showing you that it comes with an instruction book and those 2 Apple stickers.
We used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back.
So while I'm waiting for the laptop to power up, I'm gonna take a look inside the master kit.
I just wanted to stop because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop.
Okay, so it's asking me to select my language.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, Apple.
It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws trying to say.
macOS contains a built built-in screen reader, called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Calling me up, just realize that we're done, don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me.
Okay, so here it's just asking me if I had any more information that I wanted to transfer from another computer, which I didn't, and then I went through the motions of setting up my Apple ID.
I just wanted to stop because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop.
And so here I had gotten a verification code that was sent to me from another device. So this way that I would be able to sign into iCloud and iTunes, because it was once I put in my Apple ID, it was recognizing that I was signed in on other devices, and it just wanted to make sure that it was me. So while everything was downloading from my iCloud, I decided to go ahead and put my skin on and the keyboard cover. If anybody knows me, they know that purple is my absolute favorite color. So I think my husband did an excellent job in picking out everything for me. And so now I had gotten to the part where it was an express setup, and this is where I could either allow the system to set everything up for me, or I can go in and customize things for myself, i.e. Siri, or like my screen display, whether I want it light or dark. But I went on ahead and set things up for myself. And here I'm just playing around with a couple of the apps. I'm sending out a test text message to my husband just to make sure that I had set everything up and it was working properly. And now I'm just going through to make sure everything downloaded from the cloud. I'm going to make sure that I have access to my photos and my music, and just making sure that I have access to iMovie and some other things that I use to help create my videos.
It seems like your mind is elsewhere. Whenever we're on the phone, always on the go. Like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me yet. I believe it's true. You're all for
So here I'm looking for my music, and I couldn't find my playlist or anything, and it was saying that it was done downloading from the iCloud. But I started getting nervous because I knew that I had more music than that, but I should have just been a little more patient and waited. But everything showed up, my playlist and all of that finally downloaded from the cloud.
Boy, do you even remember that love is more than just lust? Always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something
And the last thing I wanted to do is set up my AirPods, and that's it, y'all. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all in the next one.
I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I've had enough of you. You're just too much. I'm way too good for you. You're just a